Hey there, welcome back to our coding corner. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, which is JavaScript arrays. Arrays are incredibly powerful data structures that allow us to store and manipulate collections of elements. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts of arrays in JavaScript and explain some of the most commonly used array functions. So let's jump right in. Before we explore the array functions, let's start with the basics. In JavaScript, an array is an ordered list of values, which can include numbers, strings, objects, or even other arrays. We create arrays using square brackets and separate the elements with commas. Let's write some code to demonstrate. Const fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Now we have an array. To see the elements in the array, let's console.log fruits. And we should have our array. Now, accessing individual elements in an array is essential. In JavaScript, arrays are zero-indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0. To access an element, we use square brackets with the desired index. Let's see it in action. Const fruits equals apple, banana, orange. So let's console.log fruits 0. And we should have the first value in the array. If we console.log fruits 1, we have the second element. Arrays are dynamic, meaning we can add or remove elements easily. JavaScript provides several functions for manipulating arrays. Let's explore a few of them. Length function. The length property returns the number of elements in an array. Let's see how that works. Const fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Now we're going to console.log fruits.length, and we should have the number of elements in the array, in this case which is 3. Next is push function. The push function appends one or more elements to the end of an array. Let's see how it works. Const fruits equals apple, banana, orange. And now we're going to say fruits.push grape. And if we console.log fruits, our output should have grape added to the array. Next is the pop function. The pop function removes the last element from an array and returns it. Let's take a look at that. Const fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Now, let's create another array and call it removed fruit. Const removed fruit equals fruits.pop. And that's it. Now if we console.log removed fruit, we have the last element removed. Next is the splice function. The splice function allows us to add, remove, or replace elements at a specific position within an array. Let's see how that works. Const fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Now to splice, we are going to take two parameters. First is the index of the element we want to remove, and second is how many elements we would remove from that index. So if we say fruits.splice, let's take index 1 and we'll remove just one element from index 1. Now if we console.log fruits, we have that. Next, if we want to replace an element in an array, we simply include the element. Here's an example. Fruits.splice 1, 1, and let's have guava, and if we save, we have this. Next is the map function. The map function creates a new array with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the array. Let's see how that works. Const numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's have const doubled numbers equals numbers.map, and we'll just create a function to return number multiplied by 2. And if we console.log doubled numbers, we have this. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of arrays in JavaScript and explored some essential array functions like push, pop, splice, and map. In the next video, we're gonna look at the for each function and we're going to build a to-do list app. Now arrays are a fundamental building block in JavaScript programming, and mastering them will open doors to powerful data manipulation. So go ahead, experiment with arrays, and level up your coding skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coding adventures. And I'll see you in the next one.